What if I told you that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts? This simple principle, the 80-20 rule, could completely transform the way you work, live, and achieve your goals. Let's break it down and see how you can use it to your advantage. What is the 80-20 rule? The 80-20 rule, or Pareto Principle, states that 80% of outcomes often come from 20% of inputs. For example, 80% of a business's revenue might come from 20% of its customers, or 80% of your productivity might come from 20% of your tasks. How it applies to everyday life. 1. Work. Focus on high-impact tasks. Identify the 20% of your activities that drive the majority of your success and prioritize those. 2. Relationships. Spend more time with the 20% of people who bring you the most happiness and fulfillment. 3. Health. Instead of trying every workout or diet, focus on the small changes that lead to the biggest results, like daily walks or eating whole foods. 3 steps to use the 80-20 rule. Step 1. Analyze your activities. Write down everything you do in a day and find the top 20% that bring value. Step 2. Eliminate or delegate the other 80%. Free up time and energy by cutting distractions and low-value tasks. Step 3. Double down on what works. Spend more time on the 20% that create the best outcomes. Businesses use the 80-20 rule to target their best customers. Students use it to study smarter, not harder. Personally, I've used it to streamline my work and focus on creating content like this. The 80-20 rule is a game changer, but it's up to you to apply it. What's the 20% you'll focus on? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity hacks and life tips.